When gram chana dal mixes with bottle gourd or any other green vegetables, it makes the wonderful and delicious vegetables. So I am taking here the 500 gram bottle gourd and soaked gram lentils. I am soaking it for 4 to 8 hours depending on the temperature. Now I will cook it. So in pressure cooker I am taking the gram chana and the bottle gourd. I will add 1 spoon of the turmeric powder, salt according to taste, and water 1.5 glass. Now I will mix it thoroughly. Sorry, camera has bent, so then I corrected the camera. Now I will pressure it. So set the pressure cooker and make 3 to 4 vessels. Right? See, after cooking, yeah, all the vegetables and the lentils has been perfectly cooked. See, now I will take masher, potato masher, and mash it thoroughly. See, the dal cooked perfectly. Now in a pan, take cooking oil and the clarified butter. So clarified butter cannot be burned when it mixes with oil, right? Now heat it, and now I will add chopped garlic. Garlic goes very well in lentils. Chopped green chili as per your taste. Chopped onion, and now roast till it becomes golden brown at the medium flame. Now I will make masala paste. Ginger garlic paste I am taking in a bowl. 2 tablespoons coriander powder, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, Kashmiri red chili, amchur powder, and a little bit of pinch of hing. Add water and mix it and let it soaked. Make a paste. Keep it as it is, and now in the pan, onion garlic has been golden brown. Now at this stage I am adding curry leaves. You can add it fresh or dry curry leaves. Roast it. Now at this stage I am adding the masala paste. See, masala has been soaked. So very carefully you can add in the kadhai or pan, and now mix and cover it to cook 4 to 5 minutes at low flame till the oil releases from the masala paste. See, the masala is very much cooked and oil is releasing. So again I am mixing it, and I am adding a chopped tomato. And now again I will cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the tomato has become tender. All this process I am doing at the low flame only. So be careful about this. Now I am adding salt according to your taste. Again cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. See, the masala and tomato has become perfectly cooked. Tomato has become cooked and it mashes very well in the masala paste. This is what I need. Now the masala paste is ready. At this stage I am adding lentils and vegetables and mix thoroughly. Again I will cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes at the medium flame, so that all the aroma of the spices, lentils and bottle gourd will mix together perfectly, and our sabji is ready now. You can serve with chapati or rice. Garnish with green coriander leaves or dry kasuri methi. So now please motivate me by subscribing my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.